Welcome! In front of me I have ZEBLAZE Beyond, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First, we need to open the F-Fit application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. Actually, let me close it and open it again, like this. Once you open the app, you probably will see the data page. Now tap on the device icon. You should see your Beyond watch right here on the device page. Now scroll down, find the unbind button, tap on it, tap on confirm, and wait. Watch will disappear from the device page. It will reset itself. Now we can close the app, open the settings on our iPhone, tap on Bluetooth option, and here find the Beyond watch on the list of my devices. Then tap on the info icon next to it, tap on forget device, and tap on forget device to disconnect it. And at this point the watch is unpaired from your iPhone. And that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.